How to delete message on Signal app. Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to delete your messages on Signal app. It's so easy and quick, so let's jump in. First thing, go to your Signal app. Now this is my profile. All I need to do is click on the conversation I want to delete the message in. Click on it, and for example this is my message. To delete this message, all I need to do is keep clicking on the screen and click on delete. And click on delete for everyone. And do the same thing with the other message. And you deleted this message. So this is it guys. Hope this video was helpful to you. And if you liked the video, don't forget to subscribe and like.